Hi guys, we are here. Look, very clear the water. Very clear. Some water there. Ay, Shan. Hi, look. Look, Alicia.
Hi.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Oh.
Yes,
See what has.
I know. There's more water there. Come on. We're here walking because it's a lovely day today. So go for a walk with our lovely Zina.
Yeah.
Zina.
My
And
Zina.
Shan. Shan, look. Look at Mommy Shan.
Ah.
Yeah, no. Look over there. And go down there. Wow. We're under the bridge. The bridge. Very quiet. Very quiet. There's nobody here. Just us. Go down there. Okay. Zin. You're not jumping on there, Zin. Wow, look at that.
Wow, look at. Oh, what's this one?
I don't know. Shan, look. Hi, say hi, guys.
Hi guys, and move and go down bed.
I know. Yes. Alright, we're gonna go somewhere there. Get your bike now.
Yeah.
We're gonna climb up over there. Alright.
Mom, help.
You need help.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Can you go there?
No,
Alright, bye.
my